Ready in less than 30 minutes, this recipe for Instant Pot mac and cheese is sure to become a family favorite. Hi mindful moms and dads, Kristen here. As someone who suffers from a chronic disease, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. Today I'm sharing with you my daughter's all-time favorite recipe, mac and cheese. She's a bit of a mac and cheese snob, and she's declared my recipe for Instant Pot mac and cheese the absolute best. I think you guys are gonna love it too. So let's put on our kitchen capes and make the best mac and cheese. This recipe is so easy. We're gonna start by pouring 4 cups of vegetable broth or chicken broth into our inner pot. You don't want to use water for this recipe because then you miss the opportunity for your noodles to absorb flavor. And we want our mac and cheese to be really flavorful. Now I have 4 cups of liquid in my inner pot, and for every cup of liquid, you need 1 cup of dried pasta. Super easy to remember, right? So I'm gonna use 4 cups, which is about 1 pound of elbow noodles. And then to add a little bit of additional seasoning here, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. Just gonna give that a good stir and just gently push down my noodles so that they're all submerged in the liquid. That way they cook up evenly. And we're gonna pop our lid on our inner pot. We're gonna make sure our vent knob is pointed towards sealed. And now for cooking time. I have found that 3 minutes on high pressure with a 5-minute natural pressure release is the perfect timing for cooking elbow noodles so that they're still al dente but yet soft and tender, just perfect. So we're gonna hit pressure cook or manual and set the cooking time for 3 minutes on high pressure. While our noodles are cooking, we wanna talk about the cheese. I'm using 3 different kinds of cheese, and let me let you in on a pro tip. Always grate the cheese yourself. Bagged shredded cheese is coated in anti-caking agents, which does not melt smoothly into our mac and cheese, and nobody wants gritty mac and cheese. We want nice and smooth. So today I'm grating about 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of Swiss cheese, and then I'm also adding in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Our cooking time has elapsed and you can see that it is just on keep warm. We want to let 5 minutes pass and then we can do a quick release of pressure. 5 minutes has passed, and now to release pressure, you want to stand back from your Instant Pot so that you don't let any steam come up and burn you. And then you want to use a long spoon or spatula of some type and knock your sealing vent from sealing to venting. Once all the remaining pressure has been released, open up the Instant Pot. I'm gonna give everything a good stir here just to break up the noodles. They're all perfectly cooked, but some of them look like they're stuck together. As soon as you give it a good stir, you'll see that they come apart perfectly. To our noodles, we're gonna add in about 1/2 cup of milk. You can use any fat percentage you like. Just add a handful of your cheese at a time, giving it a nice stir, and once melted, continue to add some cheese. Once our cheese is nice and melted, I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of sour cream. Sour cream is my secret ingredient to take this mac and cheese over the top. The sour cream adds tanginess and creaminess, and it just balances out everything perfectly. You give that a good stir. That's it, no butter, it's done. We're ready to dish out some creamy, delicious mac and cheese. I'm gonna go in for a bite here. Super cheesy, super creamy. The noodles are perfectly cooked, but I don't think you should take my word for it. My daughter is the mac and cheese snob, so I think I'm gonna call Layla into the mix here. She smelled the mac and cheese cooking and came running down. Layla, you wanna give this a taste and let everybody know what you think?
Sure.
She'll never turn down mac and cheese.
This truly is the best mac and cheese. I'd choose it over any restaurant or any box, any day of the week. It's just So creamy, so cheesy. It's perfect.
I didn't even pay her to say that. In fact, Layla loves this mac and cheese. She requests it every year for her birthday, and it's a must make on our Christmas dinner because that is all Layla wants for Christmas dinner is this mac and cheese. Now, if you wanna complete your meal, you might wanna pair this mac and cheese with my Instant Pot honey baked ham, and I'm gonna share with you that in the next video. Until then, happy cooking. Come on, we can eat some more.